Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we'll look at how we can connect a Debian VM that's running on VirtualBox to the Wi-Fi network. Now I'm just going to be connecting this virtual machine to the same Wi-Fi network as the host machine. Now the host machine is a Windows 11 device. The first thing we need to do is we need to determine the name of the Wi-Fi interface on the host device. There's two ways we can do that. I can right click on this wireless icon right here and go to Network and Internet Settings. Here you see we have our Wi-Fi, and then we have this arrow. Just click on this arrow. Then you'll see the properties for your Wi-Fi. Click on the arrow here. Scroll down, and if we scroll down, we see there's a description for the Wi-Fi, and this is the name of the interface right here. Intel R Wi-Fi 6 AZ200. So this is what we need. Another way you can determine the name is by using the control panel. You can type control panel here. Then go to Network and Internet, go to Network and Sharing Center, click on Change Adapter Settings. Here you'll see all the interfaces on your machine, and for the Wi-Fi interface, this is the name again, right here. So this is for the Wi-Fi, this is the wired connection. Most of the others are just for the virtual machines. Okay. Now that we've determined the name of the Wi-Fi interface, we can go to VMware here, and then select your VM or virtual machine, Debian virtual machine. Right click on it and go to settings. Go to network. Now you want to make sure that you have bridged. If you have not selected, that means that the virtual machine is going to share the same IP as the host machine. But if you're looking to have your VM get its own IP address via DHCP from the wireless router, you need to select bridged adapter, and then here click on this arrow, the down arrow, and then you'll need to select the Wi-Fi interface that we just determined, which is this one right here. So we only have three. This is the wired one. So select that, and then you click OK. Now you have the setting done. We can turn on this virtual machine, start the virtual machine, and then we'll check and verify whether we have a valid IP. And the IP should be on the same subnet as the host machine. Now on the host machine, I can open the command prompt, and then I can use ipconfig command. This should show me the IP address for my Wi-Fi interface, which is right here, 192.16.1.120. The subnet mask is a /24. This is the gateway. So we should have an IP that starts with 192.168.1.1 for this Debian machine. I'll log into the machine. Okay, and I'm just gonna open the terminal. I'll check the IP using IP address command. That's the IP right here, 192.168.1.189. So it's on the same subnet as the host machine, so /24, and it's unique. So what this means is that we can easily ping this device. We can also remotely access the device. For instance, if I come to this machine here, I can ping that machine, can ping the Debian VM, just ping 192.168.1.189, and I'm able to ping it. Okay. Another thing we can do is we can SSH into it if we wanted to, because it's got its unique IP address. We can also verify whether we have internet connectivity. We can check for internet connectivity by pinging, let's say, a site. Let me ping Google. I'll say count to google.com. And I'm able to ping Google. I send 2 packets and receive 2 packets. 0 packets lost. Okay, that verifies that we have internet connectivity. And it also verifies that our DNS is working. Another way we can verify DNS is by doing ns lookup Google. So we see the DNS server here, and we were able to translate google.com to these 2 IPs. This is the IPv4 address, this is the IPv6 address. Okay, and if you wanted, you can browse to the internet. Let's say bbc.com. And I'm able to access our website. So that's all for this video. that's how you can connect your Debian VM that's running on VirtualBox to the Wi-Fi network. So I hope this information has been helpful. I'll catch you in my next video. Thanks. Bye.